Guys, wanted to throw down a quick super intro tutorial here. Premiere Pro, since the time that I originally recorded the original tutorials, has changed the kind of intro screen and how you start your project. So I wanted to walk you through this just verbatim so you'd see it. It's not super crazy, but let me show it to you. So whenever you get to Premiere Pro, it should open up. Again, you should see it down in your dock. We're going to go New Project, and this is the screen that's new, and I just want to show you what to do. So right here, you want to first begin by adding your project title. So let's say Video Edit. You could just say that, Video Edit. The biggest thing is the location here. So this is the name of the project, but what you need to tell it is where to save. So if you pull this drop down and go choose location, you can navigate to your Creative Cloud folder in this class, R2123, and maybe you've already created a project for this, a folder for this project. If not, we'll go right here to create a new folder. We'll say Project 3 Video Edit. So create. And then if it's highlighted blue, that means you're going to save it inside of there. You can also just click this column. If you're not in this view, just get into this new folder that you created and say choose. And then lastly, we're not going to touch anything else. We're just going to say create. And once you get to here, this should all be the same as the video tutorial. So grab me if you're confused on anything, but once you get here, you should be good. All right, thanks guys.